Number 1. The 1979 Ford Pinto, priced $3, $999, Virginia Beach, Virginia. For sale is my wife's 1979 Ford Pinto, priced at $3,999, and located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We've owned this car for over 4 years, during which time it has undergone partial restoration. Although we've grown quite fond of this classic, my wife's interests have since changed, and we're now hoping to find a new home for it, preferably with someone who appreciates vintage cars and the charm they bring. This Pinto is a true icon of late 1970s automotive design, compact, stylish, and full of character. It runs well, powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine, making it suitable for weekend drives or light daily use. The car still holds much of its original appeal while offering a great foundation for continued restoration or preservation as is. The interior is in good shape for its age, with mostly original features and a clean, well-kept cabin. The exterior has received some cosmetic updates as part of the restoration process, including fresh paint and trim touch-ups. Full details about the car's condition and restoration history are included in the photos, so please take a look. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast looking for an affordable vintage vehicle or simply want something unique for local shows and meets, this Pinto is a great candidate. Feel free to message me with any questions or to schedule a time to come see it in person. Number 2. The 1939 Buick Special 2DR sedan, priced at $8,500. Up for sale is a timeless piece of American automotive history, a 1939 Buick Special 2-door sedan, priced at $8,500. This classic features a legendary straight 8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, 3 on the tree, offering a truly vintage driving experience that's hard to find today. With only 21,347 miles on the odometer, this Buick is remarkably preserved for its age. The car runs and drives well, and recent maintenance has been completed to ensure its roadworthiness. The carburetor was just professionally rebuilt, and both the brake system and ignition have been thoroughly inspected and serviced. Mechanically, it's in good running condition, but as with many pre-war vehicles, a few finishing touches are still needed. Some electrical work is required to get all of the exterior and interior lights functioning properly. Additionally, the laminated film between sections of the glass has deteriorated in places. See photos. I've received a quote of approximately $500 to have new glass cut to replace the flawed panes. These are relatively minor issues for anyone familiar with classic car restoration. Cosmetically, the car still carries a ton of character, with solid lines and an unmistakable pre-war silhouette. It's an excellent candidate for either a full restoration or to enjoy as a patina-rich cruiser. I'm only selling because I have too many projects at the moment and am running out of space. If you're looking for a rare, pre-World War II American sedan that turns heads and has strong bones, this 39 Buick Special is well worth a look. Feel free to reach out with any questions or to arrange a time to view in person. Number 3. The 1952 Ford Crestline Victoria Crestline, priced at $10,000. For sale is a beautiful classic 1952 Ford Crestline Victoria 2-door hardtop, priced at $10,000 or best offer. This vintage gem is powered by an original flathead V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with working overdrive, offering a smooth and engaging ride that's true to its era. The car runs well and is a fantastic representation of early 50s American automotive style. One of the standout features is the stunning Lebanon Bonnie interior, which is in excellent condition and provides a rich, classic feel to the cabin. It's complemented by new show-quality triple-plated chrome, giving the exterior a showroom-ready shine that turns heads wherever it goes. Located in South Jersey, this car is being sold on behalf of my grandfather, who has lovingly maintained it over the years. It's a rare and stylish hardtop model that's perfect for classic car enthusiast collectors or anyone looking for a reliable, eye-catching cruiser from the golden age of motoring. Serious inquiries only, please. Contact me directly if you're interested or would like to get my grandfather's phone number for more details or to schedule a viewing. Number 4. Up for sale is a charming 1958 Ford Custom 300, priced at $11,500, and in overall good condition for its age. This is a well-preserved example of late 1950s American design, with a straight body and a nicely maintained light blue paint job that gives a timeless, vintage appeal. It's a great opportunity for anyone looking for a solid classic, either to restore to show quality or to simply enjoy as is. The interior remains mostly original, adding to the authenticity of the car. The dashboard and steering wheel show some age-related wear, as expected for a vehicle of this vintage, but the seats are still in fairly good condition and comfortable. The headliner will need replacement, which is one of the few items that could use attention to bring the interior closer to pristine condition. Under the hood, you'll find a clean and reliable inline-six engine that runs well. The car is road-ready, equipped with good tires, fully functioning brakes, and has recently had an alignment done, making a dependable driver for weekend cruising or even occasional daily use. The 3-speed manual transmission, operated via column shifter 3 on the tree, offers a true vintage driving experience. Whether you're a collector, a hobbyist looking for a classic to tinker with, or someone who appreciates the style and simplicity of 1950s motoring, this Ford Custom 300 is a great candidate. It's a solid car with great bones, ready to be enjoyed right away or taken to the next level with a light restoration. Number 5. The 1956 Chevy Bel Air, priced at $14,000. For sale is a 1956 Chevy Bel Air, a true American classic with a long ownership history. It's been with the same owner since 1976. This Bel Air has been modified with a fiberglass front clip, making it lighter up front and giving a custom street machine feel. Powered by a 305 V8 engine mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, the car offers a simple and engaging driving experience. It's an ideal project for a hot rodder or a classic car enthusiast who appreciates the style of the mid-50s and wants a solid foundation to build upon. This is not a trailer queen or fully restored show car, but it's a unique piece of history with a lot of potential, especially with its long-term ownership and upgraded front end. Cash only. No trades. Number 6. The 1952 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $14,000, is in decent condition with some updates. The exterior is well maintained in bright blue with chrome details on the grille and bumpers that still shine. The interior is mostly original but has been updated with modern black front seats that contrast with a more classic rear bench. The dashboard is clean, equipped with an aftermarket steering wheel and gauges that match the upgraded V8 engine, paired with a turbo 350 transmission. The car comes with a push-button start, offering modern convenience in this classic car. Although the windshield needs replacement, seal included, the car is ready to drive with just a few finishing touches, and a trade for a pontoon boat or ATV might attract more interest. Number 7. The 1977 Ford F100, priced at $12,200, features a 293 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, 3 on the tree. The truck is all original and was restored in 1992. The engine still runs well, and the truck can be driven smoothly, though there's a slight oil leak at the rear seal. Otherwise, all other components are functioning well. The truck is sold as is because it has been used infrequently. This is a well-maintained and rare classic example, but potential buyers should consider minor engine repairs. Number 8. The 1948 Dodge DeSoto, priced at $4,500, is an original and functioning time capsule. The body of the car is solid, all metal, with only minor rust on the trunk lid. The interior is well maintained, with seats in good condition and a dashboard that appears original. The engine is in good condition, complete with original components, and looks clean, showing that the car is still drivable. The trunk is also tidy, though there is some rust in the corners. This car is very rare and valuable, especially for collectors who appreciate authenticity. Number 9. The 1958 Buick Limited Riviera, priced at $15,995, is a rare and valuable car in running condition. However, the car is currently not operational and requires engine repair. The car has an original mileage of 59,000 miles, with a very solid body, no rust on the underside, and only some surface rust spots on the peeling paint. The chrome and paint are still in good condition. The blue interior is fairly well preserved, although some parts show signs of aging, such as slight tears on the seats and fading carpets. The car could be worth a lot if it is in working condition. Number 10. The 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $8,500, is a four-door modified with a Mustang 2 front suspension, using tubular upper and lower A-arms, 2-inch drop spindles, and disc brakes. The car is equipped with power rack and pinion steering. The rear suspension uses a 2-link kit from Jimenez Brothers, with an added Watts link. The engine is a Vortec 350 CI small block, paired with a turbo 350 transmission. An aluminum radiator has also been installed. The car features full air suspension controlled by an AccuAir manifold, with 2 V-air compressors and a 5-gallon air tank, allowing the car to lay out or adjust its height perfectly. The body, paint, and interior were done by a previous owner, but the headliner needs repair or replacement soon. The car runs and operates well, with a new carburetor recently installed, although the accelerator pump may need slight adjustment. This car is often used at 10 car shows. Although there are some minor details to fix, the car is ready to drive. Number 11. The 1948 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, priced at $13,500, has undergone partial restoration. Visually, the exterior of the car is still well maintained, although there is pitting, small holes in chrome, and some rust on the underside of the chassis, showing signs of age and use. It already features advanced features for its time, such as automatic windows and automatic transmission, which were innovations for that era. With a modified 472 big block engine, the car offers strong performance. It was one of the first cars to feature tail fins, a design element that became iconic in the 1950s. Number 12. The 1959 Lincoln Continental Mark V, priced at $10,000, is one of only 1,700 units produced that year. The car has 2 doors with a sports coupe style, indicating that it was designed with both aesthetics and performance in mind. The body of the car appears to be in fairly good condition, with a well-preserved blue paint job, although there may be some signs of age. The interior, especially the seats, looks original and in very good condition, reflecting careful maintenance over time. The engine and drivetrain are also original, although the seller mentions that the engine last ran when the car was parked, meaning it may need some work before it can operate optimally again. The car also has a recorded mileage of about 59,000 miles, which is relatively low for a car at this age. Number 13. The 1959 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $5,500, is a 2-door model. This car is far from show quality, but still offers an enjoyable driving experience. The vehicle has been used every summer for 13 years. The 223 straight 6 engine still runs well, although the brakes currently need repair. Some parts of the car show minor rust, and the floor may need replacement. The interior is very minimal, with only Mexican blankets used as seat covers. The car also comes with a spare dashboard and additional trim. A car like this typically appeals to classic car enthusiasts who enjoy restoration projects. Number 14. The 1957 Mercury Monterey Custom, priced at $10,950, is still in fairly solid condition, although it requires some repairs to be truly optimal. The 312 engine still runs well, showcasing the characteristic power of that era. Some interior parts, such as the dashboard and seats, still need further restoration, considering there is damage to the upholstery. The exterior of the car shows some signs of wear, including paint that has begun to fade or deteriorate in some areas, especially on the door panels. The rear of the car and the trunk are well maintained, with the spare tires still in place. Additionally, the car has been fitted with new brakes throughout, tires that are still in good condition, and a dual exhaust system that will deliver a sportier sound performance. With a little effort and repair, this car could become a very good runner and highly valuable. Number 15. The 1964 Dodge Panel Truck Base, priced at $1,700, has had fiberglass bodywork added from a classic 1950s model on the front and rear. The exterior condition looks very neat and shiny, with attractive green paint and flame stripe accents that add a sporty impression. The car has traveled about 78,000 miles. Additional features offered include power windows and new tires. The car is claimed to still be in very good engine condition and ready to use. Modifications like this are quite popular among classic car collectors, as they offer a blend of modern car comfort and vintage aesthetics.